what you eat will reflect back. All the ladies who cook, hopefully, everybody cooks, right? I also cook. I learned the passion of cooking came from my guru. Before that, I only eat. So, do one day experiment. Nice Sunday. நல்லா திட்டுங்க. திட்டி சமைங்க. Scold. Prepare the food. Give to your husband and see. Only to husband, no kids. Pav ba. Okay, no kids. Give to husband and see. Within few minutes. Example pa. Don't do it. Pour lot of love. Give. Then you say, அந்த மோதிரம் வாங்கி கொடுங்க, அந்த வட்டியான வாங்கி கொடுங்க. Then it will manifest. Sorry, gents. So what your intentions are, thoughts are, emotions, it goes to the food. And when you eat, you have to face it. When you go to hotels and eat, we don't know what is happening inside the kitchen, who is cooking, is he a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, what kind of frustrations he is undergoing. The boss is not increasing the salary, he is staying away from the family. All those things is a bonus in the food. When you eat, what happens? It directly goes to your emotions and mind. Yeah. Who cooks matter. So when I go to hotel, I am prepared. Okay, I am prepared. I go. I tell my friends also, let's see today, when we go outside, we eat. Is it going to affect our mind or emotions? Other day we ate and came, two of my friends, we were discussing, hey, today is good. Maybe the cook is good. So at least we are self-aware that this might happen. So if your awareness is increased, you can reduce the effects. So what you eat matters. I am doing research with water. Water has emotions. It stores everything. It stores everything. It has memories.